whatever has happened in Bulandshahr, it has been most unfortunate, and we have taken the immediate step. Absolutely on the part of even that lady officer who has done this kind of crime against that poor child of 10 years old, instead of giving the kind of assistance which is required, that too from a lady, and she kept her under the lockup, and then she says that she's not aware of it. She has already been sent to the line, and action has been taken against her, and inquiry has been set up against her. That is a very, very unfortunate thing, and I feel ashamed that whatever has happened.
Sir, but feeling ashamed is not an answer, is it, Mr. Farooqi?
Arnab, I want to. Arnab, I want to ask Mr. Farooqi. Arnab, I just want to ask him one thing. The State Women Commission or the Child Commission of the State, it's been more than 48 hours, has not reached Bulandshahr. And we heard the young Chief Minister of UP say a few days ago, FIR darj nahi ho rahi hai thane mein. Kyun nahi ho rahi hai, Mr. Farooqi? There is a phrase in Hindi, Raksha ki bhakshak ban gaya.
No, I think you are taking it too far. You are speaking too much now. Please allow. No, please allow us.
Well, I'm
please allow us.
You
are going too far now.
Am I speaking too much, Mr. Farooqi?
No, you are talking. You are not listening. You are just trying to make a debate out of it. I am just trying to tell you, my Chief Minister is very sensitive about it. He has taken all the police officers also. He has questioned them time and again, and he has sent the message. And during the last 4 or 5 days,
sir, what are you saying, sir? I'll tell you, Mr. Farooqi. According to some reports, 1 minute, Mr. Farooqi, you see, the media doesn't run the government of Uttar Pradesh, but you know the fact is this: the girl was made to spend the night in the police station after being raped. Absolutely, and she was told, right. 1 minute, you tell a 10-year-old girl you must have invited the rape. Then she's made to sleep on the floor. And you know when, Mr. Farooqi, she was released, I know nowadays it's fashionable for politicians to stand in parliament and keep abusing the media. Say media in this country is very bad. Let's control the media. Let's keep controlling, regulate the media. But let me tell you, Mr. Farooqi, it was only when the local media, television media recorded the incident and the footage was shown to the senior police officers that the girl was released.
That's true. Can I come in?
Am I wrong, Mr. Farooqi?
Can I say something? Can I say something, Mr. Arnab? I am the one who has always been supporting media, because this is because of the media that we are making the corrections within ourselves also. And you know it very well that all these things we have been. My Chief Minister is having weekly review, and he is getting all kind of information. And during the last 8 days, if you would kindly note it down, this is a very unfortunate thing. It is happening not only in Uttar Pradesh; it is happening everywhere. We are not treating our women folk, we are not treating our child properly. Our police, whichever state you talk about, our police is absolutely.
Sir, what are you saying? I can give you an example in which an assistant superintendent of police, Kavita Srivastava is coming in, and after that Bani Tripathi. Kavita Srivastava first, please. One second. Yes, Kavita, what's your point?
Firstly, you know, it's absolutely wrong and it should be condemned that the UP police doesn't know the law, that you're not supposed to detain any woman, leave a child in any case, you're not even supposed to call to a police station. There should have been a child welfare committee, the CWC. The child should have been presented in front of them, and they should have called the police there, and the police is not even supposed to come in uniform. That is what the JJ Act
is anybody supporting police on this?
1 minute. In your state, sorry to say, in UP, there is nothing like
you have been talking about it. Please. Is anybody supporting police? Has anybody supported that lady officer? You have been talking, I know that. But is anybody supporting police? That lady police officer?
The police station.
She is being suspended. Action will be taken against all those people.
Sir,
yes, they are supposed to. The entire police department of the country is supposed to know lot of things. We have seen in Delhi. Yes, Kavita, we have seen in Delhi also. We have seen in Rajasthan. We have seen in Madhya Pradesh. We have seen in Gujarat. We have seen in UP also.
I am asking you today, I am asking you today, Mr. Faruqi, Mr. Faruqi, I am asking you today, Mr. Faruqi, I am asking you today, instead of locking up the victim, today, how many women will think, how many young girls will think that if, God forbid, something were to happen to us, if we go to the police station, we'll be locked up. No action taken against the rape accused.
That's it.
No action against the rape accused. Some medieval, horrible, regressive mindset says a 10-year-old girl has invited the rape.
What kind of jungle Raj? I mean, Arnab,
you are right. The height of the whole thing is, that it was the lady officer who has done all this kind of thing. Who has done this? It was the lady officer who has done it. So I am telling you that yes, I am also talking. You are talking. Nobody is defending them.
What kind of jungle Raj
that
are we
particular
looking
officer,
at?
nobody is defending.
What kind of jungle Raj? What kind of
Nobody is
jungle
defending
Raj
that
are we looking at?
officer.
What is this sense of criminality? No.
What are you talking, Jungle Raj? What are you talking? What do you know about Jungle Raj? What is the definition of Jungle Raj?
Kavita,
what is the definition of Jungle Raj?
Mr. Faruqi.
What
I know.
What are you talking about? What are you talking
And
about?
the state of UP is being run by
I also belong to UP. That's not the Jungle Raj.
Your police is behaving. Your police is behaving as if they are hooligans. And you are protecting them.
No, my police is not. You cannot blame entire my police. You cannot blame my entire police officers. There are good officers also. There are bad officers also. You can shout it, Mr. Kavita. You have got all the right in the world to shout. Keep on shouting. I don't mind it. But you don't blame the entire force. Don't blame the entire force, Kavita. Please don't blame the entire force. Yes, there are good officers, there are bad officers. This lady has crossed her limit. This lady has crossed her limit. We will definitely be taken. She will be taken care of.
So there's a
don't
problem.
worry about that. But don't say that it's a jungle Raj. Don't use all this ridiculous kind of statement. Don't blame entire my police force. That is not fair on your part.
I think the fact is, sir, I would not like to, but let me tell you, Mr. Faruqi, that in another case, the assistant superintendent of police of Deoria, who insulted a rape victim, was, may I remind you, simply transferred despite the DG and the IGP promising action against the policeman. Are we to believe then that in this case too the suspended police officers will eventually be reinstated and transferred? And I'm asking you, can suspension until the departmental inquiry be on?
Yes.
No, 1 second. Sir, please understand. Allow me to complete. You see, in India, there is a very nice way to put wool over a person's eyes. Suspend. We do a departmental inquiry. Moment media attention goes away, bring back the officer. So tomorrow...
Can I say now something?
This is a standard operating procedure, I'm sorry to say. Mr. Faruqi.
No. Am I allowed to say a few words? Yes.
Do.
Whatever has happened in Bulandshahr and other places, yes, it's wrong, but you should not blame the entire police force. This police force itself, you see how this my chief minister is working.
I am not blaming the police force. I am blaming the government. I am blaming the government.
Kavita is blaming the entire police force. That is what I am taking.
No, that's Vani Tripathi.
That is my objection.
What is the message that is going from above? That is the important question. When there is such a serious violation, where the victim is treated like a criminal, she's just 10, she's a child, every law is violated. You don't wait for things, you do it. The message today has to be clear. In UP, we've observed time and again that really, it's just overlooked. There's whitewashing. Please, they should have been immediately suspended. All those people should have been suspended immediately for having done what they've done. And also, what has happened to the poor child? Was the FIR lodged? Was the girl? What happened after that?
In any other,
you should be telling us that.
You see, the problem is Vani, before you come in,
CWC come in. Was POCSO applied? The new law of sexual violence against children, was all that applied?
May I just say that instead of being the children of poor parents, if this 10-year-old who was raped and thrown in a police station was a powerful person's daughter, or if the child who lost their finger in Rajasthan was a powerful or connected person's child, I want to know whether the chief ministers of Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan would care so little for it that they wouldn't even say a word. And whether then, I'm sorry to say this, Archana, Today, because they are poor people's children, you have this give a damn attitude towards
them.
them.
Upliftment of and listen to me. The lady from Uttar Pradesh, Vani, she questioned my sensitivity and sensitivity of my government. I would ask her what is her opinion about Mr. Modi. Then yesterday he said that it is very unfortunate that atrocities against women and children are at extreme in Gujarat. What is her opinion about that? See, blaming others, pointing fingers at others. That's very easy. But how accountable is she and her government as an and how accountable they are as opposition at the center on the issues of atrocities against women and children?
Every debate.
It is not a debate, it's just a fight that is going on. And she's not ready to listen to anybody.
Archana and Vani.
And she's just there to
Archana and Vani.
I take strong objection to it.
Archana and Vani.
I take strong objection to it.
Okay, fine. Now,
even I'm objecting to whatever
I want to ask
You have got a strong objection to it. You have got all the right in the world to talk whatever you're talking. You do not look at this.
Well, every debate, 1 minute please. Please, 1 minute please. Every debate, 1 minute please.
Modi, what has it done to the children?
Kamal
Farooqi, to the ladies over there.
Kamal Farooqi
You have
and
no
Vani
right to talk about all those
Kavita Srivastava and
don't politicize this. Don't politicize this.
But do you
Don't
realize,
politicize this, Kavita.
do you
Don't
realize
politicize
today
this.
you are
No.
politicizing
First you
it?
see you are.
Do you
first see your track record. I don't want to have a discussion like this. I don't want to have a discussion like this. You are unnecessarily trying to politicize this.
No, you go on shouting.
You first put your whole.
Because I also have a voice.
My dear,
have a voice.
My dear, first you put your own house in order. What you have done to the ladies of Gujarat, you should feel ashamed.
Well, I want to just come in, ladies and gentlemen. Can I come in, please, as I go into a break?
You are a very poor student. You are a very poor student of Gujarat.
I take strong objection to this.
And I'll just say one thing. You have to give me a minute. You see, Archana ji, Kavita ji, Vani ji, 1 minute please. 1 minute please. I have just one thing to say. One thing. Can I come in please? This is Arnab here. Thank you very much. Can I come in please? You see, I'll just say one small thing. Thank you. Every debate is not about Narendra Modi. This is about the children. And this is about accountability. We'll follow up the story. And at least I'm glad the Congress and the SPF talking about the issue. I want Ashok Gehlot and Akhilesh Yadav to come and talk about this incident.
From BJP.
I want Ashok Gehlot and Akhilesh Yadav also to talk about the incident and come out and tell us what they think about it. Sooner than later. Thank you very much for joining me on this debate on the News Hour tonight.